Good morning, class 4. I hope everyone is fit and fine. But today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 9, Animals and Their Young Ones. Next chapter is chapter number 9, Animals and Their Young Ones. What we are going to study in this chapter is we'll study about the animals and their babies. How animals give birth to the babies. Some animals they give birth to babies, some animals they lay eggs, and then how the baby comes out from the egg. So now come to page number 95 of your book. Number the stages given below in their correct order to show the life cycle of a hen in order. So there are pictures given of the life cycle of a hen. You have to number them in the correct order. They are given in the incorrect order. What comes first, then after that, then after that. Let's see. See this picture, bete. So first one number will be egg. First the egg comes. Then number 2, first egg. Then number 2, the hen it sits or warms the eggs, sits on them and warms them. Then number 3, the chick comes out from the egg. And number 4, the chick grows up. So this is the life cycle of the hen. First egg, then the hen sits on the eggs, means the hen warms the eggs. Then the chick comes out from the egg, and the last one is chick grows up. The ability to produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. Animals reproduce by two methods, by laying eggs, giving birth to the young ones. Now, there is one term called reproduction. You must have heard, we read in the last chapter also, reproduction. The process of producing more of their own kind is called reproduction. Means the animals, they give birth to the young ones. They give birth to the babies. That is called reproduction. Animals, they reproduce by two methods. There are two methods of reproduction. One is laying eggs, and the second one is giving birth to the young ones. Young ones, or you can say babies. These are the two methods by which animals reproduce. We mammals, we give birth to the babies. Birds, they lay eggs. So these are the methods how different animals they reproduce, how they produce young ones of their own kind. Now come to page number 96. Our first topic is egg laying animals. In this topic, we'll read about the animals that lay eggs. Egg laying animals. Many animals reproduce by laying eggs. The eggs are either kept in a warm place or the parent animal sits on them to keep the eggs warm. Once the eggs mature, the young ones hatch out. Animals that lay eggs include birds, frog, fish, turtle, lizard, crocodile, snake, cockroach, butterfly, bee, mosquito, and grasshopper. So, there are some animals that reproduce by laying the eggs. They keep their eggs either in the warm place, or they sit on them to warm them, or the parent animal sits on them to keep the eggs warm. Once the eggs mature, जब वो egg mature हो जाता है, the chick or the baby hatches out. Hatches out means the egg breaks down. Break हो जाता है egg, और उसमें से क्या निकलता है? The baby. The baby comes out from the egg. That is hatching out. Hatching out means breaking down of the egg, and then the baby comes out from that egg. Which are the examples of animals that lay eggs? Birds, frog, fish, turtle, lizard, crocodile, snake, cockroach, butterfly, mosquito, bee, grasshopper. These are the animals that lay eggs, and from the eggs their babies they come out. Again I am telling you, there are some animals that lay eggs, then they warm their eggs, means either they keep their eggs in the warm place or they sit on them to warm them. Then when the egg matures, जब वो बड़ा हो जाता है तो it breaks out, it hatches out, means the baby hatches out from the egg, जो टूट के उसमें से baby निकल आता है. Next, birds. Next topic is birds, that how birds they lay eggs. We are reading about the egg laying animals. So first animal that lay eggs is a bird. All birds reproduce by laying eggs. Most birds build nest on trees to lay their eggs and to raise their young ones. Now how birds lay eggs? Birds lay eggs in their nest. They make nest on the trees. There, that is the home of the birds, and there they lay eggs. Build nest on trees to lay their eggs and to raise their young ones. So their young ones, they are also raised in the nest. When the young ones they become adult or mature, then they start flying. Parts of a bird's egg. Now we'll read about the parts of a bird egg. कि what are the parts of a egg? We see that it is of white color. White color का दिखता है. But there are many things present in the egg that we'll study. We don't know. जब उसको तोड़ते हैं तो बहुत कुछ निकलता है उसके. So what is there inside it? That we are going to study. Parts of an egg. An egg has a thin protective shell called the egg shell. Thin protective shell, जो आउटर कवरिंग है उसकी व्हाइट कलर की, that is the egg shell. That is thin protective covering. Within the egg shell is a white jelly-like substance called the albumin. उसके अंदर egg shell के there is a white color substance that is called albumin, which is rich in proteins. It is rich in proteins. बहुत ज़्यादा proteins होते हैं इसमें. That is why doctors recommend to eat it. The yellow inner part of the egg is the yolk, and it is rich in fats, vitamins, and minerals. So this is the yellow portion. You must have seen the yellow portion of the egg. When you break egg, yellow material comes out from the egg. That is the egg yolk. And it is rich in fats, vitamins, minerals. The yolk contains food for the growing baby or the embryo. The embryo develops into a chick. Now what is present over here in the yolk? It contains food for the growing baby. Egg में से जो baby निकलना है उसके लिए जो खाना है, that is in this yolk. The baby, it will take food from here and then it becomes a chick or bigger. Within the egg, the embryo goes through various stages of development before the egg hatches out, and then the chick comes out. The chick then grows into an adult. Various stages of development from an embryo to a mature adult is called the life cycle of an embryo. The yolk contains the food for the growing baby or the embryo. Now bete, here it is the yolk and it contains food for the growing baby. जो भी बेबी है एग के बीच में, it will take food from the yolk and it will mature into a chick. Now baby is present in the embryo. embryo में present है, वो एक sac like bag like structure है जिसमें वो baby present है. Suppose it is here only, in the yolk only. Now there are various stages. बहुत सारी stages आती हैं उसमें embryo में. पहले बहुत छोटा है, उससे थोड़ा बड़ा होता है, then it again becomes little larger. Then जब वो पूरा mature हो जाता है, then the egg breaks out. Then वो egg है वो टूटता है and then that chick it comes out. वो जो baby है वो फिर egg से बाहर निकलता है. सो देर आर वेरियस स्टेजेस इन द एग ऑल्सो, एग के बीच में भी बहुत सारी स्टेजेस हैं जिसके थ्रू जो चिक है वो पास करता है। लाइक वी गो थ्रू मेनी स्टेजेस इन लाइफ, फर्स्ट वी आर बेबी, देन बिकम अ लिटिल लार्जर, देन उससे थोड़े बड़े हो जाते हैं, देन अडल्ट, then old. The same way the animals, they also have various stages inside the egg also and outside the egg also. So that stages, various stages of development from an embryo to a mature adult is called the life cycle of an animal. So इन stages को बोलते हैं life cycle from the embryo to an adult. जब एम्ब्रियो से स्टार्ट होकर जब अडल्ट तक की स्टेज आती है, जो उसके बीच में जो भी फेसेस आते हैं, जो भी स्टेजेस आती हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ एन एनिमल. लाइक वी हैव लाइफ साइकिल, पहले छोटे बच्चे हैं, देन वी बिकम अडल्ट, देन वी बिकम ओल्ड. सो बेबी से लेकर ओल्ड एज तक, दैट इज आवर लाइफ साइकिल. द सेम वे एनिमल्स, दे ऑल्सो हैव देयर लाइफ cycle. I'm again telling you, the outer thin protective covering of the egg is called eggshell. Then inside it is a white color substance, that is albumin. It is rich in proteins. Then there is a yellow colored substance, that is the yolk, and it is rich in fats, vitamins and minerals. And it contains food for the growing baby, that is present inside the egg. Next, life cycle of egg laying animals. Now we'll read about the life cycle of egg laying animals, कि what type of life cycles do they have. Let's come to the life cycle of hen first, कि जो hen है वो किस लाइफ साइकिल से गुजरती है, क्या क्या उसकी जो लाइफ में जो स्टेजेस आती हैं, that is the life cycle, growing development stages. First we'll read about the hen. The mother hen lays eggs in her nest and sits on them to keep them warm. This helps the embryo to develop better and faster. Hence, once the embryo within the egg has developed into a chick, the chick breaks the shell to come out. This is called hatching. The young chick then grows up to become an adult hen. First, there is hen. Hen है, the hen lays the eggs. ये उसका nest है, उसमें उसने एग ले कर दिए. hen, then eggs in the nest, then the hen, it sits on the eggs to warm them. The hen is sitting on the, suppose here is the hen, sits on the eggs or keep them in the warm place. Then the chick inside the, जब उसको warmth मिलती है, गर्मी मिलती है eggs को, then the chick that is present inside the egg, it matures easily, वो जल्दी से बड़ा हो जाता है. Then when the chick matures, the egg it breaks down and the chick it comes out. जो उसमें से चिक है वो बाहर निकल जाता है. This is called hatching. Hatching means breaking down of the egg and then the chick comes out from it. That is called hatching. Then the chick grows and then again it becomes a hen. This is called life cycle of a hen. Again I am telling you which is the first stage. First stage is hen. Then hen lays eggs. Then the hen sits on the eggs to give them heat or keep them in the warm place. Then the chick inside the eggs, it matures and the egg it breaks down and the chick comes out from the egg. Then the chick grows and then it develops into a hen. This all stages, these are called the life cycle of a hen. So today we will study up to here. Next we will continue in the next lecture. Thank you.